So in this video we're going to be tackling the quotient rule. So just to write out the quotient rule, we're going to have h of x is equal to f of x over g of x. So if we have h of x equal to that, so our h prime of x will be equal to, and this one's going to be a long one. We're going to have our derivative of our first function, f of x, f prime of x, times the denominator, g of x, minus the numerator, f of x, times the derivative of the denominator, g prime of x, all divided by g of x and the denominator squared. So with that in mind, we can actually try to do this with an example. Say we have h of x is equal to 3x minus 4 over x squared plus 5. So let's do that. Our numerator is the f of x and the denominator is going to be g of x. So let's just write them down here. F of x is equal to 3x minus 4. G of x is equal to x squared plus 5. Our f prime of x is equal to 3. And then our g prime of x is equal to 2x. So let's write that out in that form. So let's see if we can write h prime of x equal to f prime of x, which is 3, times g of x, which is x squared plus 5, minus our f of x here. So we have 3x minus 4 times our g prime of x, which is 2x, all divided by our g of x squared. So our denominator squared, so x squared plus 5 squared. So now all we have to do is simplify this, and that can be done simply by expanding here in the numerator, so 3x squared plus 15, and that'll become a negative, so minus 6x squared plus 8x all over x squared plus 5 squared. And we can simplify this, negative 3x squared plus 8x plus 15 over x squared plus 5 squared. x. So we can do y prime, or if we use the proper notation, dy over dx is equal to f prime of x times g of x, which is 2 times x squared plus 1. Maybe I should move this. Minus our f of x, which is 2x, times our g prime of x, which is also 2x, divided by the denominator squared. And now we can just simplify that. Well, yeah, that'll be 2x squared plus 2 minus 4x squared, which will be negative 2x squared plus 2 over and that's how easy calculus really is. So let's do another one. Say we have f of x equals 2x plus 8 over root x. So let's write out f prime of x is equal to the derivative of the numerator, which is 2 times the denominator root x, minus the numerator 2x plus 8 times the derivative of the denominator, which, x to the power of 1 over 2 becomes 1 over 2 x to the power of negative 1 over 2. And the denominator will be root x squared. So we will have 2 root x minus, that will become a fraction because that goes to the denominator. So that'll be 2x plus 8 over 2 So I'll just multiply this by root x over root x. That should give me x plus. And then that will become x. 2x over root x minus x plus 4 over x. And that will give me 2x minus x minus 4 over root x all over x, which gives me, when you divide by x, you can multiply the reciprocal, so that will come down. So I'll have 2x minus, oh sorry, 2x minus x is just x over and that is my solution. And there you have it. One thing that we should mention is that from this rule, g of x cannot be 0 ever. Otherwise, the denominator becomes 0 and becomes undefined. So yeah, that's all for this video on the quotient rule. Hope you enjoyed.